to Chintu TV 24. Chintu TV, Chintu TV 24. A for apple, red and sweet.
A for apple, apple means Sabbath. B for ball, ball means gander. C for cat, cat means Billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for goat, goat means bakari. H for hen, hen means murky. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jugger. K for kite, kite means patandang. L for lion, lion means share. M for monkey, monkey means bandar. N for nest, nest means kosala. O for orange, orange means santara. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means Rani. R for rabbit, rabbit means Karagosh. S for sun, sun means Suraj. T for tiger, tiger means Bob. U for umbrella, umbrella means Chata. V for van, van means when. W for watch, watch means Curdy. X for xylophone, xylophone means Shankar Yantra. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means Jabra.
Thanks for watching Chintu TV 24. Chintu TV 24. Chintu TV 24. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Chintu TV 24. Like and subscribe.